Welcome to the latest in our 15-minute fundamentals series. In today's session, I'm going to take you through the CRM capabilities of SAP Business One. Now, the first thing to realize about SAP Business One is that the CRM functionality is not necessarily broken out into a specific menu area for you unless you're using SAP Business One version 9.3. If you go into the modules area of SAP Business One and you're on SAP Business One 9.3, you're going to see here there is a new menu called CRM. And underneath this CRM menu, you'll see all of the different functional areas that compose the CRM functionality inside SAP Business One. But the important point to note, as we talked about in our blog post on CRM functionality is everywhere, is that if you are running an earlier version of SAP Business One, you won't find this CRM menu. But what you will find is all of these functions inside other screens inside SAP Business One. So for example, the sales quotation and sales order. If you come in here into your sales AR screen, there you have it, your sales quotation and sales order. If you are looking for the business partner master information, well, funnily enough, you're going to find that against your business partners. And you're also going to find the activity information. Other things you're going to find here as well is things like your campaigns and your campaign generation wizards. Also, these things you can find here grouped into the CRM menu. Now, part of the reason why SAP did this in 9.3 was a lot of people didn't realize that CRM functionality was actually there inside the product. So the designers felt that the best thing to do was really to break it out into its own separate menu. Now, if my memory serves me correctly, I think way back when, probably in SAP Business One version 2005, I believe that it used to actually be like that. So it's a step backwards to move forwards in some respects. So that's the thing to bear in mind. When you're looking for this functionality, be aware that it could be in a different area inside SAP Business One.